a new subscription box, which I've never tried before. It's from Pretty Obsessed. I will link the website down below where I got this from. But basically, I've been a subscriber for quite a while of Look Fantastic Beauty Box and Glossy Box. And now I was reading a few comments and reviews and stuff on Glossy Box. I think it was a video, somebody did like an unboxing video or something like that. And somebody basically recommended Pretty Obsessed. I mean, I might be really late to the party on this. I did see that the company's been going for 6 years, but I've never heard of it before. I've never seen anyone do a video. I've never seen any reviews or anything like that. There's probably loads out there, but I've just never seen them. So yeah, I thought I'd give it a go. I mean, the website and everything, the pictures of the previous boxes and stuff all look really good. They do have a few different options. I've trialed it on the first box that they do. It's a 5 product, I think it's called the premium subscription box, which is $14.99. And you're not tied into a contract or anything like that. You can cancel at any time. They also do a luxury, which I think was £25, and that is for 10 products. They don't do sample products. There's no like minis, deluxe mini sizes or anything like that. It's all full-size products, which I thought was quite cool. And they also do one-off boxes, which are mystery boxes. And again, with that, you can get different amount of products. After receiving this one, I have ordered a mystery box. I think I've got the 10 product or 20 product. That is on its way. So if you want me to do another video on that, I'll probably show you anyway, to be fair. But yeah, I'm excited to see that. Again, they do some other boxes which are just specific products, which is quite cool because I'm not seeing any of the other sites do that. They do like a eye only, so just like eyelashes or stuff like that, a makeup only or a skincare only, which is really, really good idea. You know, if you're not interested in kind of skincare, you can just get the makeup one, or if you're just looking for eyelashes and stuff like that, you could go for that one. So I thought that was a really good idea. I just wanted to try it first and get this one to see, you know, how it goes. I've never heard of them before. But yeah, so I'm going to show you what I got in this box. So just to start off with, the packaging and everything's quite cute. It says, "Oh hey pretty, love this month's box, share it, post and tag us, #IamPrettyObsessed." So yeah, this is the packaging, lots of little pink spaghetti. Okay, so the first product we've got is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. It is reusable makeup cloths. So you get 3 cloths in here, which are like a pretty baby pink colour. It's very cute. And obviously you can use them to take your makeup off and you can whack them in the washing machine. Yeah, I do tend to quite like to use my CeraVe cleanser with the cloth. So yeah, they'll come in handy. The next thing, oh, I've got some sweets. Candy Kittens, Eat and Mess Gourmet Sweets, Veggie Recipe, palm oil free. Do you know what they look like? They look like Percy Pigs. If you know what Percy Pigs are, then you'll know what I mean. But yeah, they're cute. It's a nice little touch. I like things like that. Next thing I've got is from Bubble Tea. This is a bath crumble, pink grapefruit. I think I've had this before and it's really nice. Yeah, it's just like a fizzy bath kind of broken bomb basically, because it's bath crumble. But yeah, this packaging, it does smell amazing. I love pink grapefruit smelling things. The next thing we've got is a glow mask. This is from Skin Glow London. It says, oh, it's an eye mask. Turmeric and vitamin C to combat dark circles and discoloration. And it's got hyaluronic acid in it. Delivers deep hydration for fine lines and wrinkles. Eye masks. Oh, so I feel like gel kind of eye masks. That's quite cute. I've got really tired eyes today. I'm quite tired. So I think I might stick these on after the video. The next thing I've got is from Cougar by Paula Dunn. Bee Venom Facial Serum. Plump and rejuvenate. Yeah, that's the packaging. I've not heard of this brand before. Oh, is this actually something from bees? I'm gonna have to look into this product and see if it is. Apply to cleanse skin before moisturising in the morning and or evening. It's very thick. And last but not least, I've got a lip duo. So it's a lip liner and a lipstick from Give Them La La Beauty. La La. The shade is Virgo, which I am. Again, I've not seen this brand before, but it looks very interesting. Okay, so we've got a lip liner, which says Give Them La La Beauty. Oh, it's a very nice brownie nude colour. You get a lipstick in the pack too. Oh, the packaging is cute. It's like white marble. You can see that. Hashtag Give Them La La Virgo. There you go. Swatch the lipstick. Ooh. It's a very 90s nude kind of setup. So you got the brown liner and then the nude lipstick next to it. I love that. A sheen maybe. I don't think it's matte. A really nice combo. So I'm looking forward to giving that a go. Yeah. If you're interested, there you go. That's really nice. I really like that box. As I mentioned, I have got one of the mystery boxes on its way, which I think is 10 or 20 products or something like that. And I think that'll give me a really good idea of, you know, what's to come with the boxes, really. I really like that box. I think the products are fab. As I mentioned, I've got the... trying to fit it in. Yeah, I really like that. As I mentioned, I've got the mystery box coming, so I'll definitely make a video when that arrives. So far, I can't complain, the service and everything. I did have a query, which they've responded to straight away. I think it's reasonably priced and definitely worth it. What the mystery box is like, and I'll probably give the subscription another go for December as well, and I'll let you know how I get on with the mystery box. Thank you for watching, and if you're new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.